Welcome back to the channel. So I got a call from a guy up in Bonners Ferry. He wants to change the lights in his kitchen to recessed lighting. Now, if you've been watching these videos, these jobs are usually done for people that don't have a lot of money and have a necessity like plumbing, electrical, heat. You know, putting in recessed lighting is not a necessity, but I'm going to go do it for him because he says he's too old to do it, the labor. I'm going to give him my labor free, and I'm going to have him pay for the cost of the materials. I feel like that's fair, and then I can use that money that I would have spent on materials to help the next person who actually needs something done, you know, in order to live normal. So that's the deal on this one. We're gonna do recessed lighting. I did it in my house a long time ago. I don't remember how I did it. So I'm gonna go look at the job and see if I can remember what I did, how I did it. But I know since I did my house, I know I can do it. So that's where we're heading. Okay, we're here. Hello, boys. How's it going, eh? We're here. My GPS wasn't quite accurate, so I'm just gonna back up like this, and we're gonna go talk to Glen. Okay. How you doing?
I have some leaves and I'm getting mostly rocks.
I'm John.
John?
Yep.
I'm Glen.
Nice to meet you. You're my dad's age. Actually, he's a little older. He's going to be 89 next month, but...
Well, I'm not going to be 89 till July.
You don't have a dog?
No.
You're the only one in this neighborhood that doesn't.
Oh, I get my doggy fixed with all the dogs.
With what?
With all the dogs that are around.
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
friends with all of them.
Yeah, there's a lot of them. I love dogs. Hi, I'm John.
Hi, I'm Beulah.
Beulah, nice to meet you. Okay, so now are we saying then all you want to do is replace the lights?
The fixtures too.
Oh.
All these gotta come out.
Okay. Okay.
And there's a cord that just plugs into it. And we can plug two into each other.
How many of these did you buy?
I got 8 of them.
Okay.
Well, I bought more than that, but I bought a dozen of them, but I put some of them out in the garage.
Oh, is that what you were showing me in the garage?
Yeah.
Is these?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I got you.
That-
So you got 8 here?
Yes.
Okay.
Well, there's 6 more in there.
Let me let's take this out. I just want to see what all you bought. Okay, so you've got, holy mackerel.
Yeah. Lots of cords.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, okay. And then let's see here.
Well, that's an extension. This is the cord, and it's got a fixture in it.
Yeah. So that just plugs in.
It just plugs in right there, just like that.
Yeah.
It plugs into a regular 110-volt receptacle.
Okay, but that, see this right here?
Yeah.
Where are you going to plug that in?
That's what I need. Is one of those to go in here.
Okay. Okay.
That's a receptacle.
Okay. You know, you can hardwire it. I can hardwire it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I can take those wires. That's just AC wires right here. You see how your power's here?
Yeah.
See how your power's coming in?
Well, it goes through that light fixture. I think the power is
Yeah. No,
coming through over here.
it's in your ceiling,
Yeah.
okay?
Yeah.
It comes down, it comes here. They've got it tied from one to the other. All I got to do with power off is take this. This is your wire coming out of the ceiling.
Yeah.
All I got to do is
Yeah,
cut
right.
that wire, cut that plug, splice that plug into that wire,
Well, could,
and you
yeah.
don't need a receptacle.
Yeah.
I'll give you that. I'll give you that.
See how?
Got it?
Yep.
Let me do this one. Okay, now I'm going to take
Yeah.
the bulbs out. Okay, bulbs are out. Loosen this.
It's all going to the dump.
Okay, I'm gonna get a ladder to make the job a lot easier. I'm going to get my tools. What a beautiful day. Spring is here. Spring is here. Okay, this should be a pretty easy job actually. I thought I was gonna have to be cutting holes and doing all kinds of rework, and this is gonna be easy. He's gonna supervise and I'm gonna do the labor. We're gonna take, let me just set that down for now. See, this is the wire, this is the power coming into this circuit right here. So I'm gonna take these wires and I'm gonna splice them. This one, this is ground, and this is okay. So now we're just gonna pull everything out of here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, this is the final bar, and then we're gonna put the new ones in. I got all of them out. There's the wires. I'm just gonna wire in the splice in the first one in the chain. I'm gonna splice it into there, and it comes with plugs to just connect all the other ones together. So it should be pretty simple actually. You put clips in here to hold it, and we're gonna have to try to hit a stud with those, but we'll see what happens. Whoop, hang on, don't move.
You what?
Okay. Oh, I was talking to myself. Tell you what, for those of you who are into fishing, today would be a day to be out on the lake looking for some smallies that were moving up around the rocks to sun themselves, because this is the warmest day we've had. I'm gonna say it's the warmest day since October. That would be now maybe early November, but 4 months. It's the warmest day in 4 months. Okay, so here's what I'm doing. I'm taking this. I'm gonna cut this off. It has a on-off switch, but it's going to be hardwired to the switch on the wall, so this isn't necessary. So I'm going to cut this, and I'm going to splice the wires into that. Okay, I wasn't recording. That's all right. I'll show you. We're gonna install the the new ones. I'm gonna wire it. I'll leave this going. I thought it was going and it was off. I'll show you how we're gonna do this. We're gonna do 6 of them for now. Okay, I'll show you what we're gonna do. We're gonna wire. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna take one of these. Let's start with black. Oh.
You know, my mother died in '52. My dad was out making wood in one place, and he had a top fall on his head, and he died in '53.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, '54. I think it's April of '54.
Okay, so screwed the clips in. I got the 2 bars. What we've decided is we're going to do 2 on this side, 2 on this side, and then 2 next to those on each side. I forgot which one was which. I guess it doesn't matter. Like, of course it does. That's in there like that. Get that up there like that. Okay, so that's plugged in. We gotta do, we gotta tie these 2 together. This is the part I don't like. Okay, we have an option here. We can use this long one to tie them together, or I can make a short one out of these. You got a lot less cord in there hanging.
Oh, let's go ahead and use the long one.
You sure? Okay.
Tape it up or
Yeah, because it's I mean,
snap them together. Or
you only have to cover a few inches, and it's
well, yeah.
Okay, let's test these 2. Okay,
That's the one.
I'm gonna set the breaker. I'm gonna flip on the switch. So these 2 are working.
Yeah.
So now we're just gonna daisy chain them like that. You see that hanging down? I'm just gonna daisy chain them all the way around. Right? We agreed we're gonna tie all of these together and leave that pigtail in case you want to add later.
Yeah.
Okay. And yeah, that should work. Okay. Okay, I'm having to put these anchors in because some of these spots where I want to put the brackets, just nothing there. It's just drywall. So I put these screw anchors in, and then I screw the screw into that to hold it. Fortunately, there's not a lot of weight to these things either, so that's good. See, I just drill a hole through the drywall, put one of these in. I hand tighten it so I don't spin it. Put one of those in and tighten this, because all we're going into is drywall. And these things aren't very heavy, but you know, you got gravity alone that's going to pull the drywall out, pull that screw out of the drywall. So, okay, power on. Now we got 4 of them in. Okay, so we decided we're going to put 2 more right down the center in between these 2 for a total of 6. And that's going to be it. Power on.
Oh, that's great.
Is that brighter?
Yeah.
Now let's put the plastic in and see if...
And it's a whiter light. Well, I don't know. Yeah,
So we'll put that, we'll wash that big things and put them
yeah,
in.
he can.
I can get them in.
I'm here.
Now I'll put them in. We gotta wash them in.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I want
I'll wash them in the bathroom.
to take care of these hanging
Yeah.
cords.
Yeah.
Let's do that while I'm here.
Yeah.
Okay, they gave me $100, so we'll use that for the next person. So that's good. Let me, I gotta pick up my tools here, and then what I'll do is I'll show you the end product, because I don't think I had my camera running. I apologize. I get going in these jobs. I forget, turn the camera on, turn the camera off, you know. So let's go back in and I'll show you the completed job. Okay, there it is. 6 strips. I tucked those connectors up there as best I could. I zip tied them, and they say it's a lot brighter, but then again, it's you know, the plastic's out, so that does make a difference. So, but anyway, that's it. We're done. Okay, let's make sure I got everything.
Yeah, I think so. I don't see anything.
Yep. Okay, I'm done.
Okay.
Nice meeting you.
Thank you.
Nice meeting you.
Thanks for coming.
Enjoy your
We
lighting.
may call
we
you
will.
again.
Okay, I want to finish this one up before my camera dies. So we replaced his fluorescent lights in the kitchen with those LEDs. I ended up putting in I think 6 of them. He had 8 in the box, so he's still got 2 left. And I wired an extra plug on there so that if he in the future wants to add 2 more of those lights, there's a plug that's got power sitting there waiting for it. So you know, it's already wired for him. Anyway, gave me $100. They're not hurting for money. They're not, you know, they're doing okay compared to some of the people that I work for. They're doing pretty good. So he gave me $100. I'll apply that to the next job, and on to the next one. Beautiful day, man. I'll tell you, this was a nice day. It's clouding up now, but it was nice. Spring is here. Okay, see ya.